Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was an adventurous and curious child who loved to explore the world around him. He would often wander into the woods or climb up the hills, always searching for something new and exciting. One day, while wandering through the forest, Sam came across a beautiful butterfly that had gotten caught in a spider's web. The butterfly was struggling to break free from the web, and Sam knew that if he didn't help it, the butterfly would eventually die. Sam carefully approached the butterfly and gently untangled it from the web. As soon as the butterfly was free, it flew away, and Sam felt a sense of satisfaction that he had saved a life. This experience had a profound impact on Sam, and he realized that even the smallest actions could make a big difference in the world. He began to take more notice of the world around him and actively look for opportunities to make a positive impact. As Sam grew older, he never forgot the lesson he had learned from the butterfly. He went on to become a doctor and devoted his life to helping others. He traveled to impoverished countries, providing medical care to those who couldn't afford it, and spent countless hours volunteering in his community. Sam's dedication to helping others had a ripple effect, inspiring others to do the same. His small act of kindness in freeing the butterfly had led to a lifetime of selfless service and made a significant impact on the world. The moral of this story is that even the smallest actions can make a big difference. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the problems of the world and believe that we can't make a difference. However, if we all take small steps to help those around us, we can create a better world. The world needs more people like Sam, who are willing to take action and make a difference, no matter how small.